Okay. To recap, my son sent me a text asking if I was gay. I'll read the text on here.
I think it's so funny that he called a welder to go do it himself. And he comes and asks me to add more shit. Just add more shit, bro. No, I'm just thinking.
Hey son, is this queer? These queer? These queer?
Come here, feel that.
Let's put some waters in there.
You feel me? Left it open, so I think what it did is it fucking let it cycle itself.
That's fucking great news.
Yeah, girl, I'm gonna make it so the door opens.
You got a bid? Is this queer? Are these queer? How about now, boy? We're gonna send out a text.
Sure.
What do you need, buddy? Okay, son. Choked. All right. AJ, are we gay?
Is this gay?
Is that gay?
Is this gay? Hell no, we're not gay, boy.
Video me. Is this gay? Is this gay? Is that gay? Boy, we're out here trying to make a life for ourselves. You're asking me if I'm gay? Look at that muscle.
Son, you just wait. There's gonna be all kinds of business on this boat.
Boy, wouldn't we get so much pussy on this boat? Son, I'm not gay, baby. I love you. Thank you for saying you love me anyway.
Don't worry. Fucking funny as shit, dude. Alright, come here. Fucking unmotivated.
Is this gay? Lift it up.
Yeah.
Ow!
We'll look together and we'll put this under there. No. Watch. Lift it up. Now you put this under there. Here, I'll lift it. You put that on.
Is this gay?
Where's the drill at? What the fuck? I just have them on the front there.
Put it in that hole.
You're sitting on it.
I'm getting drilled from behind by the drill.
Is this gay?
You guys, my feelings are hurt that my son has asked me if I'm gay. Okay, I told Ella that just so she wouldn't fuck me. That fucking hurt. Guarantee that fucking hurt. You alright?
I just love my tan.
Is that gay? That man just hit himself in the shin with a wrench.
Yeah. Is this gay stuff? Come on, help me out.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it in. No, I don't want you screwing.
There's a reason he is a fast twitch, explosive fighter. He's got great wrestling, big power in his hands.
Do this.
He has never been submitted, even though he has been put in some very deep submission.
Pull up on it. You pull it up.
Yep. Trying to submit him. He just finds a way out of it.
Stop. There you go.
And he was able to escape the wrist, spinning it out and get on top and miss serious damage. He's just one of those durable fighters that will continue to keep coming. He does take
on the other side.
Well, we're gonna do something else. I gotta move it over a little bit. Where's that other bracket that goes on the bottom here? Before you get carried away here. can't believe it. The fridge fucking works.
We found the piece. Is that gay?
What sucks is I screwed it too far over there. Got it right there?
Yep.
It's all good. We'll have to put some more screw on it.
Holes in there.
Yeah. Which I was going to do that anyways. It was going to float down the road. Oh shit.
Is that gay? Is that gay?
Is this gay? It works. It's cold. And we have ice.
That was a little gay.
That might have been good. You got a fridge.
Is that gay?
That was fucked up. That was just kind of fucked up. How the fuck you did that to me? Look at this. Is this fucking gay? What if I did this in a... I can't believe we have, like, we're slowly cooking everything we need, dude. Yeah, I gotta get that next there.
We got this radio from Josh, our sponsor. Shout out to Josh over at Anchors and Oars. Shout out to Josh, Anchors and Oars.
Josh.
Is this gay? He's talking on a walkie gay.
Of course, I don't know what you've been doing in Colorado, so maybe Shane's got something going, but he knows more than I do.
We should do some shit like that. We should say some shit like that.
But
I
I
think
don't.
Colorado's my business. Oh, son. I love you, son. You're such a fag.
That doesn't make it, if you think your dad's gay, it doesn't make it okay for you to be gay. Keep it on, stay on the straight and narrow, buddy.
Man, look, it was trying to work. I was able to take that video.
Look at the balance that he has, and that's what creates power. Take a look at the knee come up. Right at the top of the cup, at the waistline. It can touch the top of the cup and make that blow actually affect you. It's close.
Alright, you need to get on OfferUp, Facebook, that on my phone.
Son, I'll do it on my computer.
Alright, doesn't matter.
What happens when it skips the cup raises, because normally it's tied in there, and that cup raises into you, which does not feel good. Very descriptive. Let's move forward. Good counter there by Charlie Campbell.
He's gay.
World champion, Matt Serra, one of his coaches, way long ago.
You got some teeth work, some dentistry work on the boat yesterday. Dude, that'd be some great video pulling that bitch on the boat, dude. You know, that would have to happen throughout the middle of the day and fucking that shit starts to be crazy. You know, tooth pain, man, it's just, you're willing to do anything to get rid of it.
On the gay way.
I can't believe I fucking got it working, but now it's fucking. Dude, we should probably take that other fridge back to them, huh?
Rich, baby. You want, can we put this movie stuff in there?
You need to go through it, yeah. I believe you can, but yeah. Something stinks in there and you just gotta go.
Multiple times, you're absolutely right. Saxon had no answer for that sweep.
Sweet, fridge is working. It's installed like shit, but it's working. Where's my wallet at? Isn't it $40